Chris, open this motherfucking bag.
Open it. You ain't putting the knife
Put
in
it
there
in
already
there.
before you start trying to drop the things in there.
Open it. Getting ready to cook. I know we just ate, but this is prepping for tomorrow when I start cooking for. Come on, cook it for the week. I told you.
It's a squirter.
This bell pepper is really juicy, so every cut that I make is squirting juice everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's literally juice flying everywhere. I am making, by the way, a lentil and quinoa chili. So it's not your average chili that you would eat out of a can or however else.
Gourmet.
This is
Should be doing.
The reason why I'm prepping tonight is because this is going to be a 9 to 12 hour process. I have to slow cook it. Now most of you can cook it fast if you want to, but the longer you cook it, the more flavorful, the better the taste, the better the chili. I don't know if I'm gonna start cooking it tonight and just cook it overnight, or start the whole process early in the morning when I get up. But that means I'm gonna have to get up extra early. So yeah, this chili doesn't have any meat, or doesn't require any meat. Like I said, the base of this is quinoa and lentils. Sorry if I'm not in the camera a lot, but I'm trying to do the best I can while I'm cooking or prepping. Oh my God, we making a mess. Celery is next, right?
Are you putting that in here?
No, that's going in that other bag. There's another one over there. summer. Open this motherfucking bag.
I am opening. You ain't putting the knife
Put
in
it
there
in there.
You start trying to drop the things in there.
Open it.
See, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. We either laughing or arguing.
Okay. Okay, that's the bell pepper. No, it's these. These smell strong as heck. Them freaking mini weeks, boy. Ain't them the ones you like?
Mm-hmm. I haven't had them in a while though.
Listen.
We ain't used to eating so much, I done got tired of them.
Them things gross. I don't see how you sit there and eat them. Them things literally taste like grass. Like it's literally tastes like you went to a farm and you pulled the weeds out the fucking thing and you just started eating it. Like I don't see how you do it. Frosted or not.
The unfrosted ones, they ain't that good.
Them frosted things don't taste any better. Come on.
Look at you.
Shut it.
Come on. Chef Morris.
Culinary arts. Listen to how crunchy they are. Stop
They're
it.
tough. Wait, in celery roots, like the roots or something? Like a root or something?
You tell me.
I really don't know.
Well, fuck. I mean, well, shucks. Okay, come on.
Is that open enough for you?
He just keep forgetting I got this knife in my hand.
I don't be thinking about stuff like that.
You will get caught. Okay, that's
She
done.
really would probably slice them.
I would not. Yellow onion.
I don't want to be over here when you cut it.
No, but no. You gotta support me because this is the hardest part.
I'm gonna support you from a distance.
No. This is the hardest part for me. I'm so serious. I'm so serious, y'all. Like, onion, when it's being cut, I already know. Like, I can already tell. Like, if somebody is cooking something, I immediately know if they're cooking with onion because my eyes, like, depending on how strong, how much onion they use, like, if they use a little bit, I can just, like, it'll start burning a little bit. Like, my eyes will start tingling. But if they use a lot, I'm full blown, can't even open my eyes. Like, I have to go outside.
Are you allergic to onions?
I don't know. Like, I have to go outside and get air. Like, it just be a mess. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get this onion where I want it to be. This is why I don't fool with onion. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm already going through it. Normally when I do this process.
Show y'all my skills.
Show them, Chris.
I'm good now.
Finish this. No, for real.
I ain't never cut an onion in my life.
Oh my God.
I ain't never cut no
vegetable. I already got it lined up for you. Just do it. Just like that. There you go.
I don't just want to.
You gotta put some pressure on it too, Chris.
I ain't putting pressure on it.
There you go.
That's how you do it. Maybe
yeah, well, do it. Chop it
like
a motherfucker. Oh, okay, yeah.
You probably could do that on that one.
Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to do that on that damn thing. I mean, dang thing, Chris. Don't do that. Go wash your hands.
It's not that strong.
Don't put it in your face. I'm telling you. Stop it. You see what I'm over here struggling to keep my freaking eyes open. Chris,
Don't slice me.
Shut it. Keep playing with me.
I ain't playing.
Just keep playing.
That was my finger. What?
I need you to support me and not.
What did I do?
Y'all, one onion really do it really do. Well, it is a lot. Okay, you ready? This is a lot. Oh my eyes. Ooh.
How big of a batch are you making?
Hold on.
This gonna last you 2 weeks.
Stop. I have family here as well, Chris. I know somebody had told me they was gonna come over. You need to, so. Oh my eyes, I'm trying my hardest to get through these. Okay, so that was the end. Oh my God, I'm touching my eyes. That was the end. I know y'all can see a little bit. My eyes are red, they're watering, but they're not as bad. Hopefully they don't get worse when I actually start to cook them, because that's when it just really gets to me. But that's it for my prep work. I chopped up bell peppers, celery, and onion.
Oh shit.
You almost cut yourself? Oh. It flew in your eye? Some juice done got in his eye. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
But he's cutting up like the rest of the onions to me, because I was just going through it over here. But like I said, I'm ready finished with my prep work. So I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of this cooking process and this meal when it's finally done after about 9 to 12 hours. Thank y'all for tuning in. Until next time. So I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all just the process of me putting the ingredients in here and then end this video out. So I already got my onions in here. I've already poured all my onions in here. My celery in here. Bell pepper. This is green chili peppers. Couldn't find the chili peppers today when I went to the grocery store, so I just bought the one in a can. Oh, shout out to my aunt for putting me on to this anyways. I never did eat chili. Never did until she had made this once. Can of diced tomatoes. I didn't want to buy garlic cloves. Didn't feel like it, so I got the organic minced garlic. Of course, I got the organic diced tomatoes. All of my ingredients, the main ingredients came from Trader Joe's. And then like most of my seasonings that I'm going to season it with, and like this, I believe, came from Walmart. This too, the diced tomatoes. But the rest of my like main ingredients, like the quinoa, the lentils, the onions, all the vegetables pretty much came from Trader Joe's. And I do shop at Whole Foods as well, but Trader Joe's is just a smaller vicinity. Oh my God, can you open this, Chris? And then I'll put something else in there while you open this. I'm just gonna do a cup of these lentils.
What's your name on Instagram again?
I am her underscore Jordan.
Oh, you changed it.
Trust and allow. Cup of your quinoa. Might end up adding more, you know, of these ingredients later as I cook it. Chris, can you open that garlic for me, please, sir? The vegetable broth, organic. Got this one from Walmart.
There you go, Your Highness.
You want to be childish right now? You for being childish. Give me this.
That made me want to throw up.
Oh my God. Probably just finna pour this whole thing in here, to be honest. Might do it later on down the line. Take your same diced tomato, fill it up with water, and pour. My best friend finally got it open for me. Where's, I need a
Looking
spoon.
for this?
No, I'm not. Why you trying to be fun? Can you give me a spoon, please? Right here.
No.
Child, he gonna do it.
What?
Nothing, go ahead, come on.
A regular spoon?
Yes.
Don't try to play me.
I'm not trying to play you at all. Like I said, I didn't want to buy garlic cloves. I ain't feel like all that today. Because I wasn't finna mince them up for the seasonings. Ooh, so good. Okay, so now I'm going to add all my seasonings to it. So this is chili powder. This don't take a lot of this. Now for extra ingredients, just add a little turmeric, just to have some turmeric in your system. And you can't really taste it anyway, so dash of that cayenne pepper. And of course, you add as you go and you season to your taste. So once I get this started, just a tinge of paprika, sorry. Once I get this started, of course I'll add more as I go. Just a dash of salt. See that? And you're good to go. Like I said, thank you for tuning in. Till next time.